Hey, you. Yes, you. The one sitting there feeling like your world just fell apart. The one scrolling through old photos, wondering where it all went wrong. The one who feels like they're drowning in memories of what used to be. I see you, and I want you to know something. It's okay to feel broken. It's okay to cry, to scream, to feel like you'll never be whole again. But here's the truth. Being broken doesn't mean you're weak. It means you love deeply. And that takes courage. But here's the thing about storms. They don't last forever. The rain will stop. The clouds will clear. And you'll still be standing because you're stronger than you think. You might feel like you're in pieces right now, but every broken piece of you is a lesson. A reminder that you're human, that you felt, that you loved, and that's beautiful. So to the one who's hurting, take your time, heal at your own pace, but don't you dare give up on yourself, because one day you'll look back and realize, this pain, it was just a chapter, not the whole story. You are not defined by your brokenness. You are defined by how you rise after the fall. So rise, my friend, rise. Know what it feels like to stare at your phone, waiting for a text that's never going to come, to replay every conversation, every moment, wondering where it all went wrong, to feel like you're not enough, like you'll never be enough. But let me tell you something. You are enough. You always have been. And if someone couldn't see that, then that's their loss, not yours. It's okay to let go. It's okay to move on. It's okay to put yourself first. Because at the end of the day, the most important relationship you'll ever have is the one you have with yourself. Because you are worth fighting for. You are worth loving. And you are worth healing. So, to the one who's hurting, take your time. Heal at your own pace. But don't you dare give up on yourself. Because one day you'll look back and realize, this pain, it was just a chapter, not the whole story. If this touched your heart, share it with someone who needs to hear this today. Let's remind each other that we're never alone in this journey.